What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this week's video we are checking out an investment property here in San Antonio Tlayacacpan. It consists of 6 separate bedrooms with 6 bathrooms, and some of these bedrooms, 3 of them for instance, they have a kitchenette in as well. Each of the 6 units could be rented out separately if you just added a few extra like kitchenettes to the other 3 units. You'll see what I mean when we go and check them out, guys. It's kind of hard to explain without actually seeing it, but I'll talk you through it as we walk around the property. So as per usual, all the information will be down below in the description of the video, so just check down below, and if you want to come and see it, let me know, and it'll be my pleasure to come and show you this very interesting offering as an investment property. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name's Varney, and I've been uploading videos here on YouTube for the past almost 5 years now. So all about the real estate market here around Lake Chapala. So if you want more videos from me, remember to subscribe, hit that notification button, and give the video a thumbs up, much appreciated. So without further ado, come with me today and let's go and check out this very interesting property, lovely property in San Antonio Tlayacacpan. The video is on its way. Welcome to this beautiful investment opportunity here in San Antonio Tlayacacpan, and each of the units have their own full bathroom. Some of the units have a full kitchen, like a kitchenette, and some of them are plumbed up to have a kitchenette fitted. Also, this could be looked at as 3 separate apartments, which each have 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms with a kitchen. And it's basically up and down. So this would be 1 and up, that would be 1 unit. The other would be this one, the bottom and the top. And the third one, as you can see here, guys, would be that unit there and the top. Each of the, say, 3 units have a mirador as well. You have a private entrance coming in here from the main street. So you have parking, as you can see, behind the tree. You have parking here for 3 vehicles. Each of the units have their own boilers, each of the units have their own gas supply, each of the units have their own meter. So it's really separated well. If you're wondering what these units would rent for, each of these units, if you were to rent them separately, like all 6, you'd probably rent them out for about $750 per month. So I think the best thing to do is let's start on the left-hand side here and go into the biggest unit to start with. And as you can see, you have a full kitchen, all the appliances you would need, plenty of cabinetry. There is a furniture package if you're interested. So coming in on my right hand side here, we have a full bathroom. Coming into the bedroom, plenty of built-in cabinetry. Really comfortable studio flat here. This is one of the 6 apartments, or one of the 3. Before we go upstairs, I want to show you all of the units downstairs, and then we can go upstairs, not to confuse you too much, if that's okay. This one is a little bit smaller than the other, just a little bit smaller, but still a good size. Full kitchen, similar finishes. This is the second one of 6, or the second apartment of 3. The second part to this apartment, the one at the bottom, is on top, where you'll find another bedroom and a full bathroom. Let's take you into the third one here. Again, they're all kind of similar design, but they're all unique as well in their own way. This one, of course, has a full kitchen, the same as the others, Not quite as big as the first one, but still a nice size. Cute little apartments. Obviously the above apartments are going to have a little bit more natural light in. Full bathroom with a walk-in shower. That is the downstairs. So let's go upstairs and check out the other three. If you did want to put an elevator, there is space. I really like the upstairs. So as we went into the first unit downstairs first, let's do the additional section of the first unit, which is here. And I like this one because it's got an outside patio area. Also comes with a full bathroom. If you did want to put a kitchenette here, I'm told by the listing agent, behind here is the hookup. So you could plumb up a stove and put a fridge here, turn this little area into a kitchenette. But you know, you could also turn the patio into an outside kitchen as well. You've got all this extra space. From here, we go up to the mirador. So on this property, we have 3 separate miradors. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. So let's go and check out the other 2. We can come through this way. As we did this unit second, so the sister or the extra bedroom, the other bedroom to this unit is here, or it could just be used as a completely separate dwelling. This one does have a little kitchenette. It doesn't have a stove, but I'm told there is a hookup if you did want to connect gas. What I love about the top units here, they have the outside little patio. This is a sun spot. This is going to be, you're getting sun here most of the day. Here we take you up to the second mirador. This was the first apartment and we went up here. That's the first mirador. And that is the second mirador. So remember, downstairs we had the third studio flat downstairs. This is the second bedroom for the third studio flat. As I mentioned, this one also is plumbed up, so if you did want to put a kitchenette here, you could. Similar design for the bathroom. I like what they've done. They've used like different Talavera sinks just to switch it up a bit. You've got a walk-in shower. And out here, this is nice. Another space. You've got a covered terrace here that I would be tempted to, if I wanted to turn this unit and put a kitchenette here, I would be tempted to put the kitchenette outside. From here, we walk up to the third mirador. That's it from me, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video today. Please leave in the comment section what you think of this very interesting offering here, this investment property for sale in San Antonio Tlayacacpan. I'd love to hear from you. If you want to come and see this one, guys, feel free to reach out to me. My email is here on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and subscribe to the free monthly newsletter if you fancy. Absolutely free. Did I mention it's free? Yeah. Anyway, take care of yourselves and I will see you all in the next video. Hasta luego, amigos. We're actually filming this video here on the Malecon de San Antonio Tlayacacpan. And I've been down here a few times and it's absolutely gorgeous, I have to say. You know, just looking out to the waterfront here and you can see people fishing in the background. It's a lot quieter than the Malecon and CENTRO or Chapala. And if you want a bit more peace and quiet, I definitely recommend coming to check out the Malecon here in San Antonio Tlayacacpan. Just gorgeous.